So we spoke quite a bit about dividend companies in China, and I guess by extension that links to some Hong Kong listed stocks as well. How about dividend companies in Southeast Asia? Are there any opportunities that we're spotting?
Yeah, again, I think traditional areas are the place to invest. I mean, there's some very common places in Singapore that still are a regular source of income, and I think they can be a real ballast for portfolios or core holding. But increasingly, in Southeast Asia, places like Indonesia as well, throwing off a bit of income. Korea, I mentioned as well. I think that's an area where we're seeing increasing allocations because value up is starting to increase payouts. So I think going back to the original point that you made, Chris, is that there's just a rich opportunity set now for income investors across the region. So I think if you are interested in taking this type of approach to allocating towards Asia, there's probably never been a better time to do it.
Yeah, and I like to also say that many of these consistent dividend payers tend to be quality companies because you need to be managed well, you need to have a sustainable business that has its natural moats to enable you to grow earnings, and dividend, which is a function of earnings, right? So you get a little bit of quality in this sense, and you get that consistent dividend growth. It's just putting the boots down, doing your homework, picking the right companies.
Yeah, and when we're in a very uncertain global outlook at the moment in terms of growth, geopolitical risks around tariffs, shifting supply chains, volatility in the market is arguably going to remain quite elevated. So having a cushion through income makes a lot of sense.